Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have the document open. Start by viewing existing edits so you know what will change. In Word, go to the Review tab and click Track Changes to reveal current marks. In Google Docs, check the top right for Suggesting Mode. Once done, save a backup copy to preserve original text. This step prevents accidental loss and helps you confirm which edits were tracked versus actual content. Make sure to note commenter context before turning anything off. Now disable the recording of new changes. In Word, click the Track Changes toggle in Review to stop future tracking, then use Accept or Reject for each change or Accept all to finalize quickly. In Google Docs, switch from Suggesting to Editing to stop Suggestions, accept suggestions individually, or use the menu to accept all. Once done, review the document visually to confirm formatting. If you need selective acceptance, proceed slowly so you don't lose intentional edits. Finish by saving a final version and exporting a PDF to lock formatting. Make sure to delete or resolve comments and run Inspect Document in Word to remove hidden metadata. If track changes reappear, check that track changes is truly off and that no other reviewers have the feature enabled on their copies. Also verify document protection or editing permissions. If problems persist, restart the app and reopen the file, because cache states sometimes re-enable review settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.